All right, so let's quickly see some example under array. So just simple one that will make you to understand array. You see array now, so if you want to print out any of these, instead of writing these so things like let unilag, print out unilag and all of that, so we just use this same array that we have here, then we pick a tag for it. So it normally starts from 0, so unilag is under the tag of 0, this one 1, 2, then 3. Okay, so let's quickly write simple code on that. Then okay, so I just use console.log. You can use document.write, whichever one you like. Then universities, that is the name of the array. So are you getting it now? So that is it. Then you declare the tag, which number do you want to pick? So 1. So which one do you think will be printed out now? It should be OAU. So if you want it to print unilag, it will be 0, that will be here. Okay, let's quickly view it. So it is OAU. Let's change the number from 1 to 0 or 2. Is it 3? Can I see the okay? So see now it's going to change. So now it is at Uni Ilorin, because that is what is carrying the 3. Are you getting it now? So now let's go to object to have some examples of objects. Okay, so now this is what we have as this is what we declared for this object before. So now we want to write out something, so I put this there now, document.write. So this is coming. So all this is another statement that is not part of the script before, so you're going to put them inside a quotation. I get it now. So the student name is, I want it to print out the student name is Sumaya and she is 10 years old. Okay, so the student's name is, that is another statement. Now I want the name to be whatever that is the first name of this person. Are you getting it now? So I've declared the first name of this person. That's the object. So this is the property of this object now. First person dot first name. We call this plus concatenation. So the student name is, I've already put in a space here because this is not going to give us any space. If I didn't put it here, it's going to join with this is directly. You can try it. So the student name is, then I put a space, I close my quotation, then this concatenation plus I'll be person dot first name. That is, what do you think will be printed out? The Sumaya, because that is what is the value of this person dot first name. Then plus again, and then plus again, then I said and she is, so I put another space here before this and inside the same quotation. Any space after this quotation is not going to be effective, so I put the space inside this quotation, and she is another space 10 years, because that is the value of this person's age, the age 10 years old. So let's see what is going to be printed out now. So remember, I use what is it called, document.writing. So it should be somewhere around here. Okay, so the student name is Sumaya and she is 10 years old. So it's as simple as that. We're going to have more of examples later when we want to, so let's just keep learning it little by little now. Alright, seems I'll be giving you an assignment on this maybe tomorrow. Alright, see you in the next class. Bye.